Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Mario Rago with Rago Fabrication. Today we're going to be installing a 3rd gen Tacoma ARB air compressor mount. Let's get started. So to begin this install, what I went ahead and already did is there's 2 taper screws that come in the kit, and you're going to install the bracket just like this with the notch down. I went ahead and we purchased the Wi-Fi block mount because in order to install this later down the road, we have to take this back out. I really didn't want to do that, so I went ahead and purchased that and pre-mounted it. It goes on top. Now that everything's pretty much installed, what we're gonna do is get our air compressor, the dual or single, the same way, flip it over. This is the front, and we're gonna mount our bracket on here just like so. The air compressor has rivet nuts already installed, and I'm gonna go ahead and pre-install this here. So now that we pre-installed our air compressor and our switch pros on our mount, we're gonna go ahead and take our 8mm bolts and find the factory 2 holes right here. So we're gonna thread them in all the way to the point where they're sticking out 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch. And we're gonna go ahead and do that for both holes. So next what we're going to do is locate this bolt right here at the 10mm and take it out, because that's where our bottom bracket is going to mount to. So we went ahead and installed our bolts and removed the bottom bolt, and all we're going to do, those 2 bolts that we installed is going to slide behind this slot on both here. What you want to do is go ahead and prep your bolts and move those washers out the best you can. So we're going to take our air compressor, we're going to line it up down here, and it's going to be a nice little finesse job here. We're going to slide the back, and we're going to focus on these 2 bolts right here and make sure those washers are in the front. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and install our factory bolt back where we took it off down here. Now we've installed that lower bracket, we're going to go ahead and just finish off and tighten up these. I'm using a 14mm wrench. And that's pretty much it. That includes the install. So you can see after it's installed, it's a neat package here. Everything is where it's supposed to be. There's not any more or less of anything. You can see our Wi-Fi block mount is already in here, ready to install the Wi-Fi kit, which we'll do at a different time. Now, I just want to mention 2 things before you go to our website, ragofabrication.com, and order this amazing product. There's 2 different models. One's with the ABS unit, which this vehicle has, and then there's other vehicles with the brake booster. Now, we have pictures of both units on our website, so if you don't know what a brake booster is or the ABS, go ahead and just look through the pictures. It will just clear up any confusion. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram at Rago Fabrication, as well as our Facebook group at ragofabrication.com. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.